Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will show you the beginner's guide for the OnlyFans users, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for that purpose, if you have been wanting to join OnlyFans and would like to know how it works, etc., let's go ahead and open our phone browser. As you can see, I'm already here in onlyfans.com and I'm logged in. So what you gotta do is you gotta sign up, create account. I didn't get logged in as well. If you don't know how to, we have already made a video regarding the sign up over here in our channel, so make sure to go search it up and look it up. After done creating an account, you're basically, it's gonna look like this over here with all the options given below. So what is OnlyFans? OnlyFans is a platform where many people, some of the popular peoples also, and the content creators as well, they join, they upload the kind of contents they would like to, and if you would like to watch their contents, if you are up for it, you gotta pay a certain amount for that. So this is what it is here in OnlyFans. So for example, if you would like to watch, if you can follow people, you can follow the person's username like all the social media platforms. And then if you would come over here, you can see this is the home page. Obviously this is a notification option where you will see all the interactions, you know, all that, if somebody had tagged you, comments, mentions, all of them will be here, subscription including promotions and so on. After that, if you tap on this plus icon here, what you do is you can compose a new post for your OnlyFans account, video content, anything that you would like to, photos, whatever you would like to post. And then if you go to this message box icon, you will be able to find all of the messages that you get, the direct messages over here in the section. If you tap on this little icon over here, this will open your profile where you can have all of the settings regarding your profile, which you can see the payments for your cards and become a creator option also, where you can earn, and to subscribers subscribe. So these are the settings, you can do it over there. So yes guys, this is the basic knowledge you need to use OnlyFans. But if you have a particular settings that you would like to know about, learn about, do let us know in the comments. We'll make sure to make a video regarding that. And yeah, I will be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.